So, kumusta mga kanoisy? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Pilipinesis. So, ngayong araw, another update naman tayo. Patungkol naman ito kay Lapid, Roque at Baterna. No? So, ang video ito ay mula kay Taga-Usig, ang Taga-Usig. So, meron itong pamagat na kumpirmado. Senator Lapid at Roque binabayaran ng milyones ni Casiong. Bank account hinalughog. Diyos ko po. So yun, bago natin simulan, ang Taga-Usig, supportahan nyo yan. Courtesy na rin sa Senate of the Philippines at House of Representatives, ano? Tapos syempre, kung trip nyo ng mga ganitong reaction video, may kasama kayong manood, huwag nyo na rin kalimutang supportahan yung YouTube channel natin, Pilipinoisy. So mga kanoisy, hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa. Simulan na natin, baka agawin pa ng China. Again, ang pamagat ng video ito, kumpirmadong Senator Lapid, kumpirmado Senator Lapid at Roque binabayaran ng milyones ni Casiong. Bank account hinalughog. Question mark yan. So, yun ang Taga-Usig, Pilipinoisy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Start.
Ito Lapid at Atty. Harry Roque halos
Ulit.
Senator Lito Lapid at Atty. Harry Roque halos maihisa sa lawala matapos isuko na ng Corporate Secretary ng Lucky South 99 ang mga ebidensang magdidiin sa kanilang dalawa. Masagsang na baho ng mga
Ulit.
Senator Lito Lapid at Atty. Harry Roque halos maihisa sa lawala matapos isuko na ng Corporate Secretary ng Lucky South 99 ang mga ebidensang magdidiin sa kanilang dalawa. Masagsang na baho ng mga politikong sangkot sa mga iligal na operasyon ng Pogo, aalinghasawa sa pagbubukas ng bank account ni Baterna.
Ito na yung pinakahihintay natin, men. Katotohanan. Latest news updates. Ang Taga-Isog, subscribe kayo dyan.
Malamig na ang inalalabas na pawis na Senator Lito Lapid at Atty. Harry Roque matapos tuluyang makorner at isuko na sa Quad Committee ng kinalalang Corporate Secretary ng Lucky South 99 na si Ronaldin Baterna ang mga bank accounts na hawak niya kung saan detalyadong makikita ang lahat ng mga transaksyon ni Cassandra Ong sa mga naglalakihang politiko na nagpoprotekta sa Pogo. Sa nagdaang pagdinig ay nag-execute na ng waiver si Baterna kung saan binibigyan ito ng pahintulot ang Quad Committee ng Kamara upang kunin ang lahat ng mga mahahalagang impormasyon at halugugin ang mga milyones na bank transactions ni Cassandra Ong.
Grabe, ano. Tapos ngayon, didagdag pa natin si Alice Go. So, goodbye na talaga itong mga pogong to, ano. Konting tiis na lang. Konting time na lang.
As kinabahan pa si Lapid at Roque nang sabihin ng COMSEC na ang naturang waiver ay notarisado na ng abogado at hinihintay na lang na magbigay ng impormasyon ng bangko. Ayon kay Batangas 2nd District Representative Congresswoman Luistro, napakalaking tulong umano nito sa kanilang nagpapatuloy na investigasyon sapagkat sa pamamagitan anya nito, mas madali nilang malalaman at makikilala ang mga malalaking personalidad na binabayaran ng mga milyones na halaga ng cheque ni Cassandra Ong kapalit ng pabor at proteksyon.
Dami parang makukulong nito, men, if ever na mapatunayan to. Nako.
Nagbalito ay komantary na si Macareñas na siyang mas lalong nagpadilim sa paningin ni Lapid at Roque.
Rule of the second contempt order. May I clarify first if Ms. Cassandra Ong conformed to the execution of waiver of all her bank transactions, including that of Lucky South and the other corporations to which she has connection?
Do you conform with that request of a waiver for all your bank records?
Pwede ko po munang tanungin ng counsel ko.
I believe, Mr. Chair, this will be our parameter if the good lady will really be cooperating with the Quadcom already. Although I wish to manifest my appreciation for the recent cooperation, notwithstanding that I share with the sentiment of Congressman Acop.
So, Ms. Cassandra Ong, yes, please.
Tawa lang eh. Ito yung Topacio, di ba? Actually, okay lang naman siguro na yung abogado mo yung magbibigay ng advice sa'yo. Pero yung to the point na halos lahat ng sasabihin mo mula sa abogado mo, parang ba't pumunta ka pa dyan? E di sana nag-Skype na lang kayo or nag-video call na lang kayo, di ba?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Acop, while we're waiting for Ms. Casiong.
I think may I recommend that we ask the opinion of Madam Baterna because her detention will be up to, I think, September 5 or 6, when the joint committee of the Committee on Public Order and Safety and Games cited her in contempt and taken over by the Quad Committee. So, with the apprehension of the Honorable Adjong, maybe it's best for us to ask Madam Baterna where she would want to go, here or you want to go out. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I have a manifestation as well for Ms. Baterna.
Let's ask
Bisahan talaga eh.
her first to reply to the question raised by Congressman Acop. Ronaldin, naintindihan mo ba ang tanong ni Congressman Acop?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
At ano ang iyong
Yes
sagot?
po, Mr. Chair.
Go out?
May I go out? Okay, what is the manifestation of Congresswoman Luistro?
Mr. Chair, I sympathize with our resource speaker. However, our committee secretary has intimated to us about the readiness of the 4 witnesses who will be corroborating and substantiating the testimony of Ms. Baterna with respect to the issuance of gate pass, which I honestly believe is very material in the subject matter of our investigation. So with the indulgence of this Quadcom, I hope that the COMSEC will be able to bring on the next hearing these witnesses so as we can shed light already on the participation of Ms. Baterna to the what we believe is the alleged operation of POGO.
Buti naman at yung mga witness din natin dito ay mga safe din sila. Hindi sila nagagaya dun sa ibang bansa or sa mga pelikula ba na sobrang bilis lang didoin Buti sa atin dito at least they do their jobs. Yeah.
The manifestation of Congresswoman Luistro is noted. So the chair is not abreast of the issue of the COMSEC with respect to the 4 witnesses. And I will direct the committee secretary to inform my co-chairs of the said committee on that particular issue. Anyway, so is there any motion on the second contempt order of Ms. Cassie Ong?
Mr. Chair, we are awaiting for
Oh.
her conformity to the waiver that the Quad is requesting.
Cassie Ong, anong sagot mo? Do you conform with the request?
You wanna give me 5 minutes po? Pag-isipan ko lang.
Grabe Though meron naman siyang right pero napaka-demanding. 5 minutes muna. Kakaasar kung sino pa yung mga salot or taksil sa bayan. Sila pa yung mga demanding Sige, bigay na lang natin sa kanila. Total, makukulong din naman yan habang buhay
Wag lang abuti ang alas 12, ha?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
while waiting for 5 minutes, can we
5 minutes
tackle
talaga
the
Yes,
administrative
please,
matters?
Congressman Paduano,
please.
let's
Thank
move
you.
to...
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. We have in receipt of a letter coming from the Senate addressed to Secgen Velasco with regards to the request for the presence of Ms. Cassandra Ong on 27th August 2024, Tuesday, 10 a.m. doon po sa Senado. But of course, ngayon at 28 na, Mr. Chair. But the second letter still addressed to Secgen for this committee for Ms. Cassandra Leong to be present in the next hearing in the Senate on September 2, Monday, 2024, 10 a.m. Mr. Chairman.
So there is a request from the Senate that they invite, that we allow, the Quadcom allow Ms. Cassie Ong to attend the scheduled committee hearing in the Senate on Monday?
Yeah, Monday.
Monday.
Yung tipong sumikat ka dahil sa mga kasamaang pinagagagawa mo. Diba? I think ang tawag dyan is infamous. Correct me if I'm wrong na lang. Infamous ba? Yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong.
So, are there any objections?
Yeah.
Since there are no objections, yes,
I
of course,
second
we
the
cooperate
motion.
with our counterparts in the Senate. We will allow Ms. Cassie Ong to be the resource person of the Senate Committee on Women. Comsec, please take note of that.
And Mr. Chairman, secondly, we have received a copy of the letter explanation of Ms. Myla Roque just this afternoon, Mr. Chairman, letter of excuse for not being present in today's hearing. But, Mr. Chairman, please allow me to state that the explanation of Ms. Myla Roque does not answers to the request or the
Tagal naman mag-decide ni Cassandra Ongmin.
order of this committee last hearing with regards
Tagal.
to the documents, medical certificate in relation to her surgery for the last year and this year, Mr. Chairman. So the order still stands that Mr. Harry Roque should submit those documents being requested
Nako.
from Ms. Myla Roque, Mr. Chairman.
So, just for
Bulabog
clarification,
si
Congressman
Harry
Paduano,
Yung Myla Roque yun ba yung wife niya? Comment kayo sa baba. Correct me if I'm wrong na lang. Or,
I take it to mean that we are not accepting the excuse of Ms. Myla Roque in her absence for today and the
Nako,
hearing
nag-absent
last time.
na.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. But of course,
Dapat i-briefing yun ng mabuti kasi mahirap na kapag nagkamali-mali ng pagsagot, di ba?
for humanitarian consideration, we should wait for the presence of Mr. Harry Roque on the next hearing. At the same time, for us to receive the documents being requested by this committee, Mr.
Harry
Chairman,
Roque,
so that
sikat ka na.
we can make.
So pending the submission of the documents required of Attorney Harry Roque, we will defer the decision of the committee as to whether we accept the excuse made by Ms. Myla Roque in failing to attend our committee hearing. Is that a correct?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, because we have issued as a subpoena to the stick to this document, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
And it is only Harry Roque that will have to produce this document, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Comsec, please take note of the manifestation made by Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, I have, if I may.
Wait, are there still
If
other?
I may.
One more, Mr.
Admin
Chairman.
matters?
This afternoon we have received a letter addressed to the lead chairman, Honorable Robert S. Barbers, a letter coming from, signed by our colleague in the House, Honorable Paulo
Si Harry Roque lang yung na-mention.
Z. Duterte, Mr. Chairman. But it's too thick, Mr. Chairman, that I think we just have to distribute these copies to the members so that in the next hearing we can tackle this letter, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, Comsec, please make sure that the members of the Quadcom are given copies of the letter by our colleague, Honorable.
So, yun lang naman mga kanoisy. So, kayo na masasabi nyo doon. Comment down below. So, again, that video is from... Yun. Ang taga-isog, ang taga-usig. So, yun, supportahan nyo yan. Original video link in the description box below. Also, courtesy to Senate of the Philippines and House of Representatives. So, yun. I think, yun, House of Representatives. Yeah, tama nga. So, yun, kita nyo naman yun. Ito na nga ba? Ito na nga ba yung sinasabi ko eh. Diba? Palapit na ng palapit. Patindi na ng patindi ang mga revelasyon. Kapag magkabulat-lata na talaga yan ng mga bank accounts. Marami ding maano dyan eh. Kasi syempre, yung ibang tao. Pero I think gumagawa naman ng kaya nga meron tayong mga money laundering, di ba? Hinahanapan nila ng way kung paano tawag dyan, malilinisan yung pera. Kasi syempre, yung iba naman dyan matatalino. I think hindi naman siguro rerekta sa mga bank account nila. No? Though, malaking tulong na rin kung pabubuksan yung bank account kasi syempre, trace by trace yan eh. So, from here to here yung the way na pag-trace niyan, di ba? So, ang matatamaan dito, si Harry Roque daw. Tapos siguro yung kay Senator Lito Lapid is since nakonekta nga siya dyan sa Lucky South 99, So, din, or sa Porac, Pogo Porac yun. Ay, nako, ito na nga ba eh. Ito na yung talaga, tawag dyan, paghuhukom. May nakita akong post dito eh. Sabi nila na chains of administration, chains of everything. So I think kung wala ka naman talagang ginawang masama sa time nyo, sa era nyo, hindi ka naman siguro madadamay dyan sa chains everything, di ba? Pwera na lang siguro kung gagawan-gawan ka ng mga paratang. Hindi natin alam yun. Pero mostly kapag ka sobrang solid talaga ng evidence, dun, madadali ka talaga dun. Di mo pwedeng sisihin na palibhasa kasi nagpalit na ng administrasyon. Kaya wala, tawag dyan, tanggal lahat or bulabog lahat. Eh yun, if ever na mapatunayan naman na sangkot kayo, kasalanan nyo rin yan. Nagpasilaw kasi kayo sa pera. 'Di ba? Masyado yung inabuso yung kapangyarihan. So deserve nyo lang din yan ano. Dapat kasi tayong mga politiko, tayo talaga no, akala naman talaga politiko. Yung mga politiko dito sa Pilipinas. Bago kayo mangurakot, bago nyo magicin yung pera ng taong bayan. Isipin nyo, hindi porket meron kayong 6 years na termino, 6 years kayong nakaupo or ano ba? Kasi I think by administration yan eh. 'Di ba? Di porket pasok kayo dyan ay habang buhay nyo na yung malulusutan. Kasi dapat itanim nyo rin sa isipan nyo na every change of administration, change of everything. So kung sa administration or sa time nyo, dahil nga ikaw nasa administration ka pa ngayon, of course, hindi ka talaga madadaanan ng mga audit, mga investigation kasi kayo-kayo lang din yung nagtutulungan dyan eh. 'Di ba? Pero syempre, after that, expect nyo na talaga. Expect nyo na talaga. So, yun. Harapin nyo na lang yung mga kasalanan nyo if ever man na mapatunayan ano. Tapos itong si Cassandra Leong din, iba din yung karakas ng taong to eh. So, sana matapos na din to. Tapos si Alice Godin. So, nako. Hay, nako Pilipinas. Pero at least na lang umuusad na yung ano ba, yung mga investigasyon. So sana matapos na nga to kasi para naman makaluwag-luwag yung Pilipinas ng konti sa mga kurakot na mga hinayupiks na mga taong to ano. So yun lang naman. Again, kayo na masasabi nyo doon, comment down below option. Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. So again, ang taga-usig, Pilipinoisy. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Pilipinoisy is out.